Hey, it's Mr. Crane again. So we are on day 3 for Adams and you. We're going to do this into 2 more days. So we're going to do 10 questions today and then 9 questions tomorrow. I think there's 19 left. So you will need a periodic table. So I have included a periodic table in today's day 3 lesson. And so you're going to need to open up your Adams and you assignment. You're going to scroll down to where it says Matter Review. In the matter review section, it says you're going to do the first 10 questions. So it starts off with what is matter, what is mass, what is volume, how do you find density, find the density, mass is equal to 10 grams, volume is equal to 5 centimeters cubed, give an example of matter. Remember that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, so it kind of helped you out right there. Are atoms matter? Do they have mass? We should be able to answer that. Why or why not? Rubidium has 37 protons and a mass of 85. How many neutrons should it have? I talked to you in day 2 on how to find your neutrons. And we also did it on day 1 in the big chart. So you should be able to figure out how to figure out your neutrons. So you have your mass and your protons, figure up your number of neutrons. Find the mass of an atom that has 50 protons and 53 neutrons. So that's your final question for day 3. Back up here to density real quick. So I'm going to look at, let's see if I can do a pin. Density basically came from a very large man who noticed when he crawled into his bathtub that the water raised up. So if you've ever run a bath and you've climbed into the bath, and when you got in, you noticed that the water raised up because you got in. So you're a mass inside a bathtub that's filled with water. The water has mass, but the water has a certain level, and then that level rises. So the amount of water that's displaced from the original line to the next line when the person gets in the bathtub is basically density, how dense the object is. The denser the object, the more the water line raises. So density can be determined as a particular mass in a unit of volume, a given unit of volume of water. So density, I'm going to show you right here, density, if I can use this pen, density, holy moly, that's terrible. Density is, why does it not stop? That's crazy. So density is mass divided by volume. So if you know a object's given density, sorry, I so apologize for the fact that that didn't work that good. Density equals mass divided by volume. So it's very simple to figure this out. You just take a given mass divided by the volume and you'll get your density. So in this particular question here, it says grams and centimeters cubed. So your units were going to be grams per centimeters cubed. So that should help you out. Answer these questions. You can use Google if you want, use previous assignments. I prefer you use previous assignments, but you should be able to answer this now after this video.